Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it here. Come here to show permission here, notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me show permissions, notifications. This or permission notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.